Hi. So we at CFL have a concept called as Nature School where we try to introduce our students to nature. So why we need this nature school? Firstly, humans are integral part of nature, and for millions of years we have thrived, and also we have been part of the evolution of our earth. And today, because of our busy life, we are driven away from the nature and wildlife, and we are in the concrete jungles. And it is very important for us to get connected with nature because we become more observative and we also understand how things work in nature. The more we are trying to disconnect ourselves from nature, we are going away from the core values of humans or human values. This time we are at Bislay Ghat, where we have brought our students to a part in the Western Ghats. This is a pristine forest in Sakleshpur, and this place is known for its serene beauty of nature and also wildlife. Especially, we do camps here every year where we involve participants and general public to create awareness on amphibians. But this time we have brought our students here so that they also learn about the natural beauty what exists in this place. We are encouraging students to observe nature as it is. We are taking them for bird watching in this session, and where they will watch and identify birds and also try to listen to their sounds, because one of the theme of this nature club or nature watch is that they have to become more observative. You know that by becoming more observative you become more skillful in whatever occupation what you're doing as a student, or maybe an engineer or a doctor, or maybe any other occupation. Yeah.
Whether it is this big, this big, whatever. So we have certain common birds which we compare.
So nature helps us to relieve all our stresses as well. So bird watching is a form of a hobby which can also be developed, which helps students in long run to cope up with their stress. Along with bird watching, we are also taking them in the night to field to watch amphibians. So amphibians become active only in the night because they call for their mates, and also rains are needed or water is needed for their reproduction. They lay their eggs only in water. And students will observe frogs, try to identify their sounds and also their habitat, because different frogs have different habitats. So students also will learn why habitat is also very important for the survival of the very species, because we know that habitat destruction is a major threat for all the flora and fauna what we have on this planet. So conserving the habitat is also very important. So we also try to engage students in understanding that habitat plays a very important role in the survival of the species. And also we are taking them just generally for trekking and nature watch, observing all the creatures possible, like butterflies maybe, or insects, or any other creature, lizards. So it brings a sheer joy of being with nature, and also makes them feel that they are part of nature, which is very important. As I told you in the beginning itself, we are getting disconnected. So the nature school is trying to connect our students or children with nature. Nature has inspired humans from time immemorial. Let us observe nature, learn from it, and also respect nature. Thank you very much. I hope you liked this content. If you like such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.